How to fix Adobe Dreamweaver for Mac not uninstalling. To uninstall Adobe Dreamweaver on a Mac using a script file, you can follow these steps. 1. Open TextEdit or your preferred text editor. 2. Copy and paste the following commands into the text editor, #bin/bash #uninstall Adobe Dreamweaver sudo rmrf/application /Adobe Dreamweaver CC version.app. sudo rmrf/library/application support /Adobe Dreamweaver CC version sudo rmrf/library/application support /Adobe/extension manager CC /mstore /Dreamweaver sudo rmrf/library/application support /Adobe/extension manager CC /extension /Dreamweaver sudo rmrf/library/application support /Adobe/extension manager CC /inventory /Dreamweaver sudo rmrf/library/application support /Adobe/extension manager CC /override /Dreamweaver sudo rmrf/library/application support /Adobe/plugin/cc/file format /Dreamweaver sudo rmrf/library/application support /Adobe/plugin/cc/Dreamweaver sudo rmrf/library/application support /Adobe/plugin/cc/TypeSpt /Dreamweaver *sudo rmrf/library/caches /Adobe Dreamweaver version sudo rmrf/library/preferences /Adobe Dreamweaver version sudo rmrf/library/logs /Adobe Dreamweaver version sudo rmrf/user/shared /Adobe Dreamweaver version sudo rmrf/user/your username /library/ Adobe Dreamweaver version sudo rmrf/user/your username /library/caches /Adobe Dreamweaver version sudo rmrf/user/your username /library/application support /Adobe Dreamweaver CC version 3. Replace version with the version number of the Adobe Dreamweaver that you want to uninstall, such as 21.1 for Dreamweaver CC 2021. 4. Replace your username with your actual username on the computer. 5. Save the file with a name and a .sh extension, such as uninstall_dreamweaver.sh. 6. Open terminal. 7. Navigate to the directory where the script file is saved using the cd command. 8. Make the script file executable by running the command mod +x uninstall_dreamweaver.sh. 9. Run the script file by entering /uninstall_dreamweaver.sh and follow any prompts that appear. For starters, use the recommended Clean My Mac X in this video guide.